I'm Lisa. Welcome to Arkansas Unearthed. Today, I'm looking at some rocks that I picked up on the creek. Check this out. These are leftover from last weekend. Kind of went through and hit the high spots and grabbed a few out. I haven't had a free moment until now, the weekend again, to come and look closer. Come on. Well, that looks a little interesting, doesn't it? Yeah, we got some stuff in here. Let's get that stuff wet. What do y'all think it's gonna look like once it gets wet? Is it worth a darn? Or is it going in the yard? Sometimes these are fossils that I pick up because they're shaped a specific way. Not a fossil, but what do they call it? A Steinkern? Like the core. I don't know what this is. But let me get this stuff wet so we can look closer. Okay, hold on. That'll do it. Now, doesn't that look different? Now I see a lot more color I'm interested in. That red and yellow there. Water always helps for the clarity. Let's see. That one's got some interesting markings. What is that pattern there? Is that an imprint of a fossil? That's what I think it is. But I will tell you, that does not feel, that feels more like a gritty. Let's look at the edges. Yeah, you can see the kind of trying to be Chalcedony in there. But I think this is just a cool trace fossil with some neat colors in it. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. Let me know. I'm a rockhound, Jim. I'm not a geologist. Kind of interesting, swirly, cherty thing. That's the inside of it, so you can see. Yeah, you can see the Chalcedony in that core. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I see a lot of Banded Chert that is shaped that way too. Where it's kind of flat on the bottom. This one looks very similar. And look at inside there. Something's playing with me. The wind. in there.